The return of a legend. Post Malone, meet Roast Malone.
What's up, boy? Your ass look like an unemployed crocodile hunter, nigga. Your ass... That motherfucker crazy. That motherfucker crazy as shit, nigga. Look like you let my daughter color your face, boy. You don't give a fuck no boy. You got too much money, dog. This motherfucker. Look at Tony, boy. You look like a gay gallon of milk, nigga. Your ass. That shit full of semen, nigga.
Oh my God.
Look at Kurt Metzger, boy. You look like a useless X-Man, nigga. Your special power, hey, his special power is that his toenails get real long, nigga.